friends, this is Manish and you are watching Elite मनीष सर की क्लासेस। दोस्तों, आज हम जॉन मिल्टन पर एग्जाम्स में बार बार पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। Here comes our question number 1. Which poet made illustrations of Il Penseroso? The options are T.S. Eliot, Milton, Blake, Keats. The correct answer is William Blake. Il Penseroso जॉन मिल्टन द्वारा लिखी गई एक दूसरी पोयम लेलेग्रो की कंपेनियन पोयम है। दोस्तों, लेलेग्रे में वो हैप्पीनेस को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, तो Il Penseroso में वो सौरो की बात करता है। लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ। विच टेक्स्ट ऑफ मिल्टन डज द फॉलोइंग लाइन अपीयर इन? Thou canst not touch freedom of my mind. The options are Paradise Lost, Comus, Paradise Regained, Areopagitica. The correct answer is Comus. Comus मिल्टन द्वारा लिखा गया एक मास्क है दोस्तों, जो कि चेस्टिटी के ऑनर में लिखा गया था, और उसी की फेमस लाइन्स हैं Thou canst not touch freedom of my mind appears in this mosque. इस मॉस्क में आई द लेडी ने ही ये बात कही है। लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ। जॉन मिल्टन स्टडीड एट कैम्ब्रिज, ऑक्सफोर्ड, यॉर्क, डबलिन। द करेक्ट आंसर इज कैम्ब्रिज। कैम्ब्रिज ही वो यूनिवर्सिटी थी दोस्तों जहां जॉन मिल्टन ने स्टडी की थी। लेट्स कम टू द फोर्थ वन नाउ। The famous epic Paradise Lost by Milton contains how many books? The correct answer is 12 books. इसके फर्स्ट एडिशन में जो 1667 में आया था उसमें 10 बुक्स आई थी, और सेकंड वाले एडिशन में 12 बुक्स, और सेकंड एडिशन 1674 में पब्लिश हुआ था दोस्तों। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Which of the following poems is not composed by John Milton? On His Blindness, L'Allegro, True Love, Il Penseroso. The correct answer is True Love, क्योंकि True Love वो सोनेट है जो कि मिल्टन ने नहीं, शेक्सपियर ने लिखी थी। It is sonnet number 116 and its first line is Let me not to the marriage of true minds. ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस मिल्टन द्वारा लिखी गई पर्सनल सोनेट है, और लेलेग्रो, आइल पेंसेरोसो दे आर कंपेनियन पोएम्स। लेलेग्रो में पोइट हैप्पीनेस की देवी के साथ जाता है, पेंसेरोसो में वो मेलनकली की देवी के साथ हो लेता है। हियर कम्स आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ। हु इज एट वंस द चाइल्ड ऑफ द रेनेसांस एंड रेफॉर्मेशन? द करेक्ट आंसर इज मिल्टन। जॉन मिल्टन ही है दोस्तों जिन्हें चाइल्ड ऑफ रेनेसांस के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, और चाइल्ड ऑफ रेफॉर्मेशन के नाम से भी। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ पास्टोरल एलिजी रिटन बाय मिल्टन? द ऑप्शंस आर लिसिडस, एडोनिस, एलिजी रिटन इन ए कंट्री चर्चयार्ड, एलिजी टू द मेमोरी ऑफ एन अनफॉर्चुनेट लेडी। द करेक्ट आंसर इज लेसिडस। लेसिडस वो पास्टोरल एलिजी है जो मिल्टन ने अपने दोस्त एडवर्ड किंग की डेथ पर 1637 में लिखी थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, हु ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज द फर्स्ट टू सजेस्ट दैट सेटन इज द रियल हीरो ऑफ पैराडाइज लॉस्ट? द ऑप्शंस आर जॉन ड्राइडन, विलियम ब्लेक, जोसेफ एडिसन, सैमुअल जॉनसन। द करेक्ट वन इज विलियम ब्लेक। विलियम ब्लेक ट्रांजिशनल एज के वो पोइट थे जो कि पैराडाइज लॉस्ट का हीरो सेटन को मानते थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मिल्टन कंपोज्ड एरियोपेजिटिका इन पोइट्री, प्रोज, ड्रामेटिक फॉर्म और नन ऑफ दीज? द करेक्ट वन इज प्रोज। एरियोपेजिटिका प्रोज में लिखी गई है, और इसमें प्रिंटिंग प्रेस की लिबर्टी की बात की गई है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज, इन विच वर्क Milton states that while the still mourn went out with sandals grey? The options are L'Allegro, Il Penseroso, Comus, Lycidas. The correct answer is Lycidas. Lycidas एक पास्टोरल एलिजी है जो मिल्टन ने एडवर्ड किंग की मेमोरी में लिखी है। इसी पोयम के अंतिम भाग में हमें ये लाइन देखने को मिलती है, While the still morn went out with sandals grey. Next one, through which work does Milton intend to justify the ways of God to men? The options are Lycidas, Paradise Regained, Samson Agonistes, Paradise Lost. Paradise Lost वो वर्क है दोस्तों जिसके माध्यम से मिल्टन इरादा करता है कि वो जस्टिफाई करेगा द वेज ऑफ गॉड टू मैन को। वो ये दिखा देगा कि भगवान जो भी करता है वो इंसान के लिए अच्छा ही करता है। और पैराडाइज लॉस्ट के बारे में हम जानते ही हैं कि इसे ब्लैंक वर्स में लिखा गया था। इट ब्रिंग्स मी टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ। इन विच वर्क ऑफ जॉन मिल्टन डज द कैरेक्टर डेलिया अपीयर? डेलिया मिल्टन के किस वर्क में देखने को मिलती है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज सैमसन एगनिस्टिस। सैमसन एगनिस्टिस क्लोजेड ड्रामा है दोस्तों। क्लोजेड ड्रामा वो होते हैं जिन्हें की परफॉर्म नहीं किया जाता, बस रीड किया जाता है। और इस ड्रामा में हम सैमसन एगनिस्टिस यानी कि सैमसन द चैंपियन को देखते हैं जो कि अपना एक राज अपनी वाइफ को बता देता है और वही उसके दुख का कारण भी बन जाता है। लेकिन अंत में अपने साथ वो अपने दुश्मनों को भी मार देता है। और वो पत्नी जिसको वो राज बताता है और जो सैमसन एगनिस्टिस के सौरों का मुख्य कारण बनती है, उसका नाम डेलिया ही है दोस्तों। सो डेलिया इज द वाइफ ऑफ सैमसन एगनिस्टिस इन द क्लोजेड ड्रामा सैमसन एगनिस्टिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन द ओपनिंग invocation of the Paradise Lost, Oreb refers to Spirit, Siloa, Mount Horeb or Aeonian. The correct answer is Mount Horeb. इसका जिक्र हमें फर्स्ट 26 लाइन्स में ही मिल जाता है दोस्तों, जिसमें पोइट देवी का इन्वोकेशन करता है और उनसे पार मांगता है ताकि वो इतने बड़े विषय पर कुछ लिख सके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन द स्टेट ऑफ हिज ब्लाइंडनेस विद whom मिल्टन डज नॉट कंपेयर हिमसेल्फ? द ऑप्शंस आर ब्लाइंड थेमिसिस, ब्लाइंड मैकेनिडिस, टायरसियस एंड फिनियस और लिसिडस। द लास्ट वन, लिसिडस, is the correct answer friends. Who is called as the poetical son of Spenser? John Milton, William Shakespeare, William Wordsworth और John Galsworthy? So the correct answer is John Milton. John Milton ही थे जिनको जॉन ड्राइडन ने द पोइटिकल सन ऑफ स्पेंसर कह के बुलाया था। नेक्स्ट वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मिसमैच्ड with reference to John Milton's work? Of Education 1644, Areopagitica 1647, Lycidas 1637, Paradise Lost 1667। इनमें से बी वाला ऑप्शन सही नहीं है दोस्तों, इसीलिए यही हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है, क्योंकि एरियोपेजिटिका जो कि जॉन मिल्टन का प्रोज वर्क है वो 1647 में नहीं 1644 में पब्लिश हुआ था। Which of the following is a pastoral elegy? And the correct answer is Lycidas. Milton's Paradise Regained takes its theme from where? The options are Saint Catherine's Sermons, Saint Luke's Gospel, the Bible, Jesus Christ's preachings. The correct answer is Saint Luke's Gospel. Next question, who remarked about his father as given below? My father destined me from my infancy to the study of polite literature, which I embraced with such avidity that from the age of 12 I hardly ever retired from my books before midnight? The correct answer is जॉन मिल्टन. जॉन मिल्टन के फादर ने जॉन मिल्टन को बचपन से ही पोलाइट लिटरेचर के लिए इंस्पायर किया था और वो उससे इतने प्रेरित हुए थे कि कभी भी मध्य रात्रि से पहले अपनी किताबों को छोड़कर बिस्तर पर नहीं जाते थे. Which of the following works is not written by John Milton? Of Education, Areopagitica, On Shakespeare, Alma or The Progress of the Mind? The correct answer is the last one, क्योंकि अल्मा और द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ द माइंड जॉन मिल्टन का नहीं, मैथ्यू प्रायर का वर्क है दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्क इज नॉट रिटन बाय जॉन मिल्टन? हियर द वर्क इज द पैशनेट पिलग्रिम बिकॉज इट हैज बीन रिटन बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स is true about Milton's sonnet On His Blindness? The options are: On His Blindness is a precursor to Lycidas. B. On His Blindness is Curtal sonnet. C. Milton did not give a title to his sonnet. The title On His Blindness is given by later anthologists or none of these. अगर पहले वाले स्टेटमेंट में नजर डालें दोस्तों तो उसमें लिखा है ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस इज प्रीकर्सर टू लिसिडस, कि ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस लिसिडस से पहले आई थी. ऐसा नहीं था. लिसिडस 1637 में ही पब्लिश हो गई थी और ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस तो 1652 के भी बाद आई थी. ऐसे ही ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस कर्टल सोनेट है, ये बात भी सही नहीं है क्योंकि कर्टल सोनेट में 10.5 लाइन्स होती हैं, जबकि ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस में तो हमें 14 लाइन्स मिलती हैं जिसमें ऑक्टेव और सस्टेट दोनों ही हम पाते हैं. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट वन फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि मिल्टन ने अपनी सोनेट को ये वाला टाइटल नहीं दिया था. ये टाइटल तो बाद के एंथोलॉजिस्ट ने दे दिया था, ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज इनकरेक्ट with reference to John Milton? In 1671, Milton issued his last volume of poetry which contained Paradise Regained and Samson Agonistes. Paradise Regained is briefer and poorer than Paradise Lost. Samson Agonistes in form has no unity of time, place and action. Lycidas has the color and music of the best Spenserian verse. The incorrect one is C. Samson Agonistes in form has no unity of time, place and action. क्योंकि सैमसन एगोनिस्टिस में मिल्टन तीनों यूनिटीज को फॉलो करता है, यूनिटी ऑफ टाइम, यूनिटी ऑफ प्लेस और यूनिटी ऑफ एक्शन. अगर बाकी के 3 ऑप्शंस पे नजर डालें तो 1671 ही वो साल था जिसमें मिल्टन ने अपना लास्ट वॉल्यूम ऑफ पोइट्री पब्लिश किया था, जिसमें पैराडाइज रीगेंड भी आई थी और सैमसन एगोनिस्टिस भी. सेकंड वाली बात, पैराडाइज रीगेंड ज्यादा छोटा है और ज्यादा पुअर क्वालिटी का है पैराडाइज लॉस्ट से, तो ये बात भी बिल्कुल सही है दोस्तों. एंड द थर्ड वन कि लिसिडस में हमें बेस्ट स्पेंसेरियन वर्स देखने को मिलती है, इट इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट ट्रू. How, according to Milton, in his On His Blindness, does one best serve God? The options are by returning to child, by submitting to his will quietly, by exacting day labor, by hiding one's innate talent. The correct answer is by submitting to his will quietly. Next one, Milton's first work is Paradise Lost. On the morning of Christ's nativity, Samson Agonistes Defensio. The correct answer is on the morning of Christ's nativity. Next one, John Milton's Lycidas and Matthew Arnold's Tircis are examples of an elegy, an idyll, a satire, a pastoral elegy. Last one is the correct one friends. Which of the following poems did Milton write in octosyllabic couplets? The options are Il Penseroso, On His Blindness, On the Late Massacre of Piedmon, Lycidas. Il Penseroso, जिसका मतलब मेलनकली मैन होता है दोस्तों, या फिर थॉटफुल मैन होता है, ये वो वर्क है जिसको ऑक्टोसिलेबिक कॉप्लेट्स में लिखा गया है। और इसकी कंपेनियन पोएम लेलेग्रो, जिसका अर्थ हैप्पी मैन होता है, उसको भी ऑक्टोसिलेबिक कॉप्लेट में ही लिखा गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फ्रेज बॉटमलेस परडिशन अकर्स इन Milton's Paradise Lost in which book? The correct answer is book 1. Next question, it appears that in Paradise Lost book 1, Milton belongs to the devil's party without knowing it. Who among the following made this statement? The correct answer is William Blake. Next one, what is L'Allegro's companion piece called? The answer is Il Penseroso. Next one, identify the correctly matched group. Here the correct answer is B, क्योंकि L'Allegro और Il Penseroso कंपेनियन पोएम्स हैं जिन्हें ऑक्टोसिलेबिक कॉप्लेट्स में लिखा गया है, और लेसिडस एक पास्टोरल एलिजी है, कोमस एक मास्क है, ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस इज अ सोनेट, एंड एरियोपेजिटिका is a prose tract. It brings me to our next question now. Where there is leisure for fiction, there is little grief, was Samuel Johnson's criticism of a famous poem. Which poem was it? Milton's Lycidas is the correct answer, friends. Next question is, as Adam and Eve leave paradise hand in hand with wandering steps and slow, Book 12, Paradise Lost, what is their consolation? Their consolation is the B1, that they are comforted by the foreknowledge of the coming of Christ as Redeemer of mankind. Next one, in Paradise Lost, which character narrates the story of the making of Eve from a rib in Adam's side? The options are Adam, Eve, Raphael, God. The correct answer is A1, Adam, जिसका जिक्र हमें पैराडाइज लॉस्ट की बुक 8 में देखने को मिलता है दोस्तों। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जॉन मिल्टन्स डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ गोल्ड एज ए प्रेशस बेन इज बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्ड एज? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑक्सीमोरॉन. मिल्टन्स लेमेंट फॉर हिज ब्लाइंडनेस occurs in which of these works? The Nativity Ode is the right answer, friends. Who replies to Milton's question, doth God exact day labor, light denied in his on his blindness? The correct answer is Patience. Milton's On His Blindness ends with an expression of the poet's faith in God's way, questioning of the justice of God, pessimism, resentment at the loss of his talent. The correct answer is faith in God's way. Next one, who in Milton's On His Blindness is believed to serve God best? The correct answer is one who bears his burden best. Next question is, who said we read Paradise Lost as a task nobody ever wished it longer? The correct answer is Dr. Johnson. Next one, rose like an exhalation with the sound of dulcet symphonies and voices sweet. What rose like an exhalation? The correct answer is Pandemonium. Pandemonium वो मीटिंग प्लेस था दोस्तों जहां की सारे डेविल्स मिलकर मीटिंग किया करते थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग is the contemporary of Milton? The correct answer is all of these. George Herbert, Thomas Carroll, Robert Herrick, Richard Croshaw, Richard Lovelace, Henry Vaughan, Andrew Marvell, ये सभी मिल्टन के कंटेम्पररीज थे दोस्तों। नेक्स्ट वन, मिल्टन रोट अ लैटिन pastoral to express his sorrow on the death of his friend Charles Didotti. It has some similitude to Lycidas. Identify it. The correct answer is Epitaphium Daemonis. Next question, which one of the following is an attack on the political corruption of the clergy in the English church and a plea for democracy in the structure of the church? The correct answer is of Reformation. Next question, which literary piece shows the superiority of the Presbyterian system of church government? The correct answer is of Prelatical Episcopacy. The title of Areopagitica is derived from a speech which was addressed to the Athenian court of the Areopagus. The speech was addressed by, the correct one is Isocrates. Charles I was beheaded in which year? The correct one, 1649. Milton wrote this work only to calm down the public's reaction of fear to the beheading of Charles. Which work is this? The correct one is of the tenure of kings and magistrates, who stood for an austere, high-principled, God-fearing and blameless kind of life. It means कौन आडंबर विहीन, उच्च सिद्धांतवादी और भगवान से डरने वाली और ब्लेमलेस टाइप की जिंदगी जिया करते थे. The correct answer is the Puritans. During the age of Elizabeth, the Puritans were in, the correct answer is minority. Next question, love virtue, she alone is free, she can teach ye how to climb higher than the spheric chime, or if virtue feeble were, heaven itself would stoop to her. Where do these lines appear? The correct answer is Comus. और कोमस मिल्टन द्वारा लिखा गया एक फेमस मास्क है दोस्तों. Milton's On His Blindness is a Spenserian sonnet, a Petrarchan sonnet, an Occitan sonnet, a formalist sonnet. The correct answer is Petrarchan sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet वो sonnet होती है जिसमें 14 लाइन्स को ऑक्टेव और सस्टेट में डिवाइड किया जाता है. And the same kind of division we notice in On His Blindness. Next question, they also serve who only stand and wait. In this line from On His Blindness, they stands for those who worship God, praise God in their poems, patiently accept the decree of God, or make use of their poetic talent. The correct answer is C1, patiently accept the decree of God. In line number 3rd of his On His Blindness, Milton speaks of one talent. What is it? His faith, his patience, his poetic ability, his tenacity. The correct answer is his poetic ability. Who is the writer of essays on Milton? The correct answer is Macaulay. मैकाले ही थे जिन्होंने एसेज ऑन मिल्टन नाम का वर्क एडिनबर्ग रिव्यू में 1825 में पब्लिश कराया था. दे ऑल्सो सर्व हु ओनली स्टैंड एंड वेट. फ्रॉम विच पोएम हैज दिस लाइन बीन टेकन? द ऑप्शंस आर माई लास्ट डचेज, ओड ऑन अ ग्रेसियन अर्न, ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस, डैफोडिल्स. ये लाइन ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस की अंतिम और बहुत पॉपुलर लाइन है दोस्तों. When I consider how my light is spent, what does light refer to here? The correct answer is eyesight. John Milton was blinded in the year 1652. What other event is peculiar in the year? 1652 में जॉन मिल्टन ब्लाइंड तो हुए ही थे, इसके साथ एक और मिसफॉर्च्यून उनकी लाइफ में हुआ था. वो क्या था? The correct answer is his wife died. It was his first wife. Lycidas was written in the memory of. The correct answer is Edward King. Next question. Who wrote and about whom? Thy soul was like a star and dwelt apart. Wordsworth about Milton is the correct answer friends. क्योंकि वर्ड्सवर्थ ने अपनी पोएम लंदन 1802 में ये लाइन मिल्टन के लिए बोली है. When was Paradise Lost published? It was first published in 1667. What is the theme of Areopagitica? The correct answer is freedom of press. Which one was Milton's favorite? Milton's favorite was Paradise Regained, which was based on the Gospel of Luke. Next question. Nothing is here for tears, nothing to wail or knock the breast, no weakness, no contempt, dispraise or blame, nothing but well and fair and what may quiet us, as in death so noble. Where from these lines taken? The correct answer is Samson Agonistes. The literary form of Comus is a mosque. Whom Milton considers his master in poetry? It is Spenser. When was Milton born? The correct answer is 9 December 1608. Where was John Milton born? It was London, Bread Street, Cheapside. Next one. In whose memory did John Milton write, "Methought I saw my late espoused saint"? It is his second wife, Catherine Woodcock. In which of the following works did Milton promote freedom of speech and oppose licensing and censorship? The correct one is Areopagitica. Paradise Lost comprises how many books? The correct one is 12. Paradise Lost is written in blank verse. Unrhymed iambic pentameter lines को ही blank verse कहा जाता है और यही वो वर्स है जिसको जॉन मिल्टन अपनी पैराडाइज लॉस्ट में फॉलो करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फेमस लाइन व्हाट दो द फील्ड बी लॉस्ट ऑल इज नॉट लॉस्ट इज स्पोकन बाय. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सेटन. मिल्टन बिगिंस पैराडाइज लॉस्ट बुक 1 विद लेमेंट, इन्वोकेशन, सॉलिलक्वी और रिफ्रेन. द करेक्ट वन इज इन्वोकेशन. शुरू की फर्स्ट 26 लाइन्स में हमें ये इन्वोकेशन देखने को मिलता है दोस्तों. द वर्ड दैट कंप्लीट्स द फेमस लाइन बेटर टू रेन इन हेल देन सर्व इन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज हेवन. दिस लाइन हैज बीन स्पोकन बाय सेटन इन पैराडाइज लॉस्ट बुक 1. बाय व्हाट एज हैड मिल्टन बिकम टोटली ब्लाइंड? द करेक्ट आंसर इज 44. 1652 में मिल्टन पूरी तरीके से ब्लाइंड हो गए थे दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्क इज सैमसन एगोनिस्टिस? इट इज अ वर्स प्ले. इन विच ईयर मिल्टन्स लिसिडस was written? The correct answer is 1637. Next question. Who is the writer of History of Britain? Options are William Shakespeare, John Milton, William Wordsworth, John Galsworthy. The correct answer is John Milton और History of Britain 1670 में पब्लिश हुई थी दोस्तों. Complete the sentence. Milton's poetic style is generally regarded as plain, classical, grand, ornamental. The correct answer is grand. जॉन मिल्टन अपने ग्रैंड स्टाइल के लिए फेमस हैं दोस्तों. उनके पैराडाइज लॉस्ट में हमें ग्रैंड थीम और ग्रैंड स्टाइल देखने को मिलता है, इसीलिए पैराडाइज लॉस्ट को एपिक कहा गया है. और एपिक की सबसे बड़ी शर्त होती है कि उसमें स्टाइल भी ग्रैंड हो और सब्जेक्ट मैटर भी ग्रैंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लाइफ ऑफ मिल्टन हैज बीन रिटन बाय. चूज द राइट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. सैमुअल जॉनसन, बेन जॉनसन, चार्ल्स लैम्ब और जॉन ड्राइडन. लाइफ ऑफ मिल्टन नाम की बुक सैमुअल जॉनसन ने लिखी है दोस्तों। मिल्टन्स एरियोपेजिटिका कंसर्न्स विद लिबर्टी ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स, लिबर्टी ऑफ प्रेस, फ्रीडम ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी और फ्रीडम ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स। द करेक्ट आंसर इज लिबर्टी ऑफ प्रेस। जॉन मिल्टन्स l'Allegro invokes which grace with whom he means to live? Options are mirth, joy, happiness, love. The correct answer is mirth. In which of the following does Manova report the end of protagonist in Milton's Samson Agonistes? The correct answer is C1, calm of mind, all passion spent. Next question is, who is Thomas Gray referring to in his lines, nor second he that rode sublime upon the seraph wings of ecstasy from the progress of poesy? The options are Shakespeare, Milton, Spenser or Donne. The correct one is Milton. Next question, Milton's Lycidas is A or N? Epic, elegy, ode, lyric. The correct answer is elegy. Who disapproved Milton's Lycidas for its inherent improbability? The options are Samuel Johnson, I.A. Richards, F.R. Lewis, T.S. Eliot. The correct answer is Samuel Johnson. Next question. In Milton, there is always an appearance of effort. In Shakespeare, scarcely any. This remark has been made by, the correct one is William Hazlitt. Whom does Milton accuse in Paradise Lost as the sons of Belial flown with insolence and wine? The options are the Anglican clergy, the Cavalier poets, the opponents of the Commonwealth, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. When was Paradise Lost completed by Milton? The correct answer is 1665. मिल्टन ने पैराडाइज लॉस्ट को 1665 में कंप्लीट करा था, हालांकि इसे शुरू उन्होंने 1658 में ही कर दिया था, लेकिन इसे पब्लिश कराने का काम उन्होंने 1667 में किया था। तो 1667 में पैराडाइज लॉस्ट का फर्स्ट एडिशन 10 बुक्स के साथ आ गया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मिल्टन वॉज अपॉइंटेड टू द पोजिशन ऑफ लेटेन सेक्रेटरी टू क्रॉमवेल्स गवर्नमेंट chiefly due to his work on the tenure of kings and magistrates. Next question is, complete the sentence. Comus is a masque, pastoral allegory, poetic line or farce. The correct answer is masque. कोमस मिल्टन द्वारा लिखा गया एक मास्क है दोस्तों, जो चेस्टिटी के ऑनर में 1634 में लिखा गया था। L'Allegro and Il Penseroso means, the correct answer is the joyous man and the meditative man. John Milton's magnificent ode on the morning of Christ's nativity was written when the poet's age was, the correct answer is 21 years. De Doctrina Christina casts doubt on the orthodoxy of, the correct answer is Paradise Regained. One of the following poets was nicknamed the Lady of Christ by his fellow undergraduates. Spot the correct name of the poet. The correct one is Milton. When the Assault was intended to the city is a sonnet written by Milton, Wordsworth, Shakespeare, Marlowe. The correct answer is Milton. On the morning of Christ's nativity is a sonnet, ode, masque or pastoral elegy. The correct answer is ode. Which of the following is a work of Milton? Novum Organum, De Doctrine Christina, Endymion, Prothalamion. The correct answer is De Doctrine Christina. नवम ऑर्गनम बेकन का वर्क है दोस्तों, एंडीमियन जॉन कीट्स ने लिखा है, एंड प्रोथेलेमियन इज द मैरिज सॉन्ग रिटन बाय स्पेंसर, हु कॉल्स मिल्टन गॉड गिफ्टेड ऑर्गन वॉइस ऑफ इंग्लैंड. द करेक्ट आंसर इज टेनिसन. नेक्स्ट one of the following works of Milton is a prose work. Mention that. The correct one is Areopagitica, जो कि लिबर्टी ऑफ अनलाइसेंस्ड प्रिंटिंग के लिए लिखी गई थी और 1644 में पब्लिश हुई थी. मिल्टन्स पैराडाइज लॉस्ट इज नोटेबल फॉर इट्स ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल पैसेजेज. हु इज द हीरो ऑफ पैराडाइज लॉस्ट? गॉड, सैटर्न, एडम और नन ऑफ द अबव? The correct answer is Adam. Milton's Paradise Lost has been praised for its lightness of touch, grand style, its satirical tone, none of these. The correct answer is grand style. Samson Agonistes by Milton is a play, is a long poem, is a masque or long treatise. The correct answer is a play. ये एक वर्स प्ले और एक ट्रेजिक क्लोजेट ड्रामा है दोस्तों, जो कि बिबिकल स्टोरी पर बेस्ड है. इसे ब्लैंक वर्स में लिखा गया है और ये 1671 में पैराडाइज रीगेन्ड के साथ पब्लिश हुआ था. फ्रॉम विच बुक हैज इट बीन टेकन? टू बी वीक इज मिजरेबल, डूइंग और सफरिंग? द करेक्ट आंसर इज पैराडाइज लॉस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ पास्टोरल पोएम बाय मिल्टन? द करेक्ट आंसर इज लिसिडस. एडोनिस पीबी शैली द्वारा लिखी गई एलिजी है और टायरसिस मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड द्वारा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मिल्टन्स पोइट्री इज अ मिरर इन विच राइटर्स कैरेक्टर इज वेरी क्लियरली रिफ्लेक्टेड. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, मैकमिलन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पीरियड नोन एज द एज ऑफ मिल्टन इज 1625 to 1660. The age of Milton had three kinds of poets. What were they? The correct answer is metaphysical, cavalier and Puritan. Paradise Lost has written by Milton in the blank phase of his life. The correct answer is last, क्योंकि Paradise Lost को मिल्टन ने अपने लास्ट फेज में ही लिखा था दोस्तों. Which of the following is a masque written by Milton? The correct one is Comus. In which poem does the following statement appear? Solitude sometimes is best society. This line occurs in Paradise Lost, Book 9. Milton's Samson Agonistes is an elegy, an ode, a classical epic, a classical tragedy. The correct answer is a classical tragedy. Next question. In the year 1637, Milton confided to his friend that he had fixed his mind upon writing some monumental poetical work. Select among the following the name of his friend to whom this information was given. The options are Richard Powell, Edward King, Henry Laws, Diodati. The correct answer is Edward King. ये वही फ्रेंड हैं दोस्तों जिनकी डेथ पर उन्होंने एक पास्टोरल एलिजी लिसिडस को लिखा था, जो 1637 में पब्लिश हुई थी. द वुमेन कैरेक्टर डेलिया अपीयर्स इन विच वर्क? डॉक्टर फॉस्टस, सैमसन एगनिस्टस, ट्वेल्थ नाइट, मैकबेथ. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सैमसन एगनिस्टस. द माइंड इज इन इट्स ओन प्लेस एंड इन इटसेल्फ कैन मेक अ हेवन ऑफ हेल, a hell of heaven. This line occurs in, the correct answer is Paradise Lost. The author of Samson Agonistes was John Milton. John Milton was an Elizabethan poet, a belated Elizabethan poet, a Jacobean poet, a classical poet. The correct answer is a belated Elizabethan poet. Who overcomes by force hath overcome but half his foe. The lines occur in, options are Venus and Adonis, Paradise Lost, Tintern Abbey, Christabel. The correct answer is Paradise Lost. Who of the following became blind? The correct one is John Milton. Paradise Regained was the work of जॉन मिल्टन. पैराडाइज रीगेन्ड पैराडाइज लॉस्ट का सीक्वल है दोस्तों और इसे 4 बुक्स में लिखा गया है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज ट्रू ऑफ मिल्टन्स पैराडाइज लॉस्ट? द करेक्ट आंसर इज पैराडाइज लॉस्ट इज अ रेनेसांस प्रोटेस्टेंट इंग्लिश एपिक. In book 1 of Paradise Lost, Milton invokes the heavenly muse Urania. She is the muse of. The correct answer is astronomy. Next question. Milton has composed the magnificent epic Paradise Lost in. The correct answer is unrhymed iambic pentameter. The fall of Satan as depicted in book 1 of Paradise Lost lasted for how many days? The correct answer is 9 days. The opening lines of Paradise Lost are a good example of. The correct one is Miltonic inversion. Who of the following said that Milton belongs to the devil's party without knowing it? The correct answer is William Blake. When I consider how my light is spent is one of the best known sonnets of. The correct answer is John Milton. Who among the following started his career first? William Shakespeare, John Milton, William Wordsworth, P.G. Wodehouse. The correct one is William Shakespeare. In an international congress of poets, Milton and Shakespeare would represent the English nation. Who said this? The correct one is Mark Pattison. Milton was a passionate man who lived in passionate time. Whose statement is this? The correct one is John Bailey. Nor second he that wrote sublime. Who said? The correct answer is Thomas Gray. Milton is rightly and judiciously classified with the 2 great epic poets of the world, Homer and Virgil. The statement is of. The correct one is Professor Dobson. Who appointed Milton to the post of Latin secretary? It is Cromwell, friends. If Milton was a Puritan, he was also more than a Puritan. This statement is of. The correct answer is Hutchinson. Next question. Servant of God, well done. Well hast thou fought the better fight, whose single has maintained against revolted multitudes than they in arms. These lines have been taken from Paradise Lost, Book 6. When Satan says, O myriads of immortal spirits, O powers, matchless but with the Almighty, and that strife was not inglorious though the event was dire, as this place testifies. In Paradise Lost, Book 1, lines 622 to 25, he is addressing his followers. The Puritans shut down all theatres in England in which year? The correct answer is 1642. Milton is regarded as the last or belated Elizabethan because he shared the spirit of Renaissance, which includes humanistic studies and the Reformation. The age of Milton is called. The correct answer is the golden age of English pulpit. From 1657 to 1659, he assisted John Milton in his duties as Secretary for Foreign Tongues. Who was he? The correct answer is Andrew Marvell. Milton was the poetical son of Spenser. Whose remark is this? The correct answer is John Dryden. Next question. Press was made free in. The correct one is 1695. Milton introduces Satan and the fallen angels in Book 1 of Paradise Lost. 2 of the chief devils reappear in book second? They are, the correct one is Moloch and Belial. Next question, which is like an excursion into the English fields at sunrise? The correct answer is L'Allegro. In which book number of Milton's Paradise Lost, Adam tells Raphael the story of his own life and the meeting with Eve? The correct answer is book 6. Next question, Samson, the central character in Samson Agonistes, is the right answer is a Hebrew champion. Who said Lycidas is the touchstone of taste? The 18th century criticism could not make anything of it. The very form of the poem is stumbling block to the common sense critic. These lines have been spoken by Matthew Arnold, friends. Next question, which of the following arrangements of Milton's works is in the correct chronological order? So the correct chronological order is L'Allegro, Comus, Lycidas, Areopagitica. Next question, which treatise did Milton write against an order of Parliament passing a censorship on books? The correct answer is Areopagitica. Who called Milton the mighty-mouthed inventor of harmonies? It was Alfred Tennyson who called him so. Next, who directs Satan to earth in Paradise Lost? The correct answer is Uriel. What form does Satan take when he comes to tempt Christ in Paradise Regained? The correct answer is an aged man. Let there be light, and light was over all. Why am I thus bereaved? Thy prime decree. Where do we find these lines? We find these lines in Samson Agonistes. Who gave music to Milton's Paradise Lost? The correct answer is Henry Lowes. How many books are there in Paradise Regained? The correct answer is 4. Next question, name the hero of Paradise Regained. The hero of Paradise Regained is Christ. The plot of Samson Agonistes is taken from, the options are the New Testament, Greek mythology, Plutarch's Lives, or the Book of Judges. The correct answer is the Book of Judges. The Book of Judges the Old Testament से related है दोस्तों. Next question, among the following, who visited Samson in the Philistine prison? The options are Delia, his wife, Manoah, his father, Harappa, the braggart, or all the above. The correct answer is all the above. 162. Name the woman whom Samson Agonistes loved and who betrayed him in Milton's play Samson Agonistes. The correct answer is Delilah, who was his wife. Next, which is the correct chronological order? The correct chronological order is Chaucer, Spenser, Milton, and Wordsworth. Who said that he thought it base that I should travel about at my ease for the cultivation of my mind while my fellow citizens at home were fighting for liberty? The correct answer is John Milton. Besides being a writer, Milton was also interested in, the correct answer is music. Next question. Just are the ways of God and justification to men, unless there be who think not God at all. Which work of Milton contains the above lines? The correct answer is Samson Agonistes. Milton was nicknamed as the Lady of Christs because the correct one is he had an exceedingly fair complexion. How many sonnets did Milton write in all? Milton wrote 24 sonnets, जिसमें 18 English sonnets थी और 6 Italian sonnet. After reading the manuscript of Paradise Lost, a friend of Milton remarked, "Thou hast said much here of Paradise Lost, but what hast thou to say of Paradise Found?" This remark prompted Milton to write Paradise Regained. Who was his friend? The correct answer is Thomas Elwood. Compared to Paradise Lost, Paradise Regained is less significant and more. The correct one is Puritan. Which of the following did Milton write when his wife deserted him? The correct answer is On Divorce. John Milton was born in Elizabethan age, Jacobean age, Caroline age, none of these. The correct one is Jacobean age. Which of the following works Andrew Marvell has vindication of John Milton? The correct answer is The Rehearsal Transposed. Next one. In Milton's life, the period from 1632 to 1637 is popularly known as, the correct one is Horton period. Milton has given his views on poetry in which of the following poems? The correct one is Lycidas. How sweet is divine philosophy, not harsh and crabbed as dull fools suppose, but sweet as is Apollo's lute. Where do these lines appear? The correct answer is in Milton's Comus. In Samson Agonistes, Milton appears in the figure of, the correct answer is Samson. How Milton works is written by T.S. Eliot, Derrida, Johnson, Stanley Fish. The correct answer is Stanley Fish. Epitaphium Daemonis mourns the death of Charles Didotti. Next one. Who called Shakespeare our serious and sage Spenser? The correct answer is Milton, and Milton calls Spenser so in his famous book Areopagitica. The first 16 lines of Paradise Lost form one sentence. The first 26 lines of Paradise Lost form two sentences. Moloch is the horrid king besmeared with human sacrifice. Next question. At Thomas Elwood's suggestion, but what hast thou to say of Paradise Found? Milton wrote blank in 4 books. The correct answer is Paradise Regained. Next question. Name the father of the writer who has been called a belated Elizabethan. The correct answer is John Milton, because John Milton के फादर का नाम भी John Milton ही था दोस्तों. John Milton was associated with, the correct one is Christ's College, where he was called the Lady of the Christs. The next question is, Milton wrote of his boyhood in which of the following works? The correct answer is Second Defense of the English People. Next, about the year 1620, for the first phase of his education, Milton was sent to, the correct answer is St. Paul's School. In which of his tracts does Milton say, "He who destroys a good book kills reason itself, kills the image of God as it were in the eye"? The correct answer is Areopagitica. Milton took degree of MA in English literature from Cambridge. Milton's first wife died in 1652 and her name was Mary Powell. Milton's second wife died in childbirth in 1658 and her name was Catherine Woodcock. Milton's third wife was a lady 30 years younger than himself and her name was Elizabeth Minshull. Which of the following is not the source of the Paradise Lost? The correct answer is Hamlet of Shakespeare, because other three are the sources of the Paradise Lost. The scene of action in the book first one of the Paradise Lost takes place in, the correct answer is hell. Satan declares himself as the ruler of hell. Fallen cherub, to be weak is miserable. Who says it to whom? This statement has been made by Satan, and he says this thing to Beelzebub. Osiris, Isis, and Horus, who came in group, had monstrous shapes of beasts who were worshipped by Egyptians, whose temple was situated against the temple of God. In courts and palaces he also reigns. The correct answer is Belial, who was worshipped by the Syrian women. The correct answer is Tammuz. By whom was Solomon deluded? It was Moloch who deluded Solomon. In Paradise Lost, Book 9th, Milton writes that Adam was overcome with blank and so ate the forbidden fruit against his better knowledge. Fill in the blank. The correct answer is female charm. Who said Milton had a highly imaginative, Cowley a fanciful mind? The correct answer is Coleridge. Who among the following English writers opposed the Licensing Act of 1643? The correct one is Milton. In tracing the history of English poetry, Thomas Gray's Progress of Poesy invokes a major poet as follows: Nor second he that wrote sublime upon the seraph wings of ecstasy, the secrets of thy abyss to spy. Who is he over here? The correct answer is Milton. Which of the following is not a punishment given by God to Adam and Eve as a consequence of tasting the forbidden fruit? The correct answer is dust shall eat all the days of life. In Book 8 of Paradise Lost, Adam identifies his chief flaw or weakness to Raphael. What is this flaw? This flaw is passion for Eve. Which of the following statement is not true of Areopagitica? The true statements are: it was published in 1644. It argues for the liberty of unlicensed printing. It is a speech addressed to the Parliament of England. So the right answer will be: it pleads for British privileges regarding free trade. Blank, the almighty power hurled headlong, naming from the eternal sky with hideous ruin and combustion down to bottomless perdition, there to dwell in adamantine chains and penal fire, who dost defy the omnipotent to arms. Fill in the blank with the appropriate word. The appropriate word is him, which has been used for God. That glory never shall his wrath or might extort from me. Paradise Lost, Book 1. What glory is being referred to by Satan over here? The correct answer is the courage never to submit or yield. Which of the following works is not written by John Milton? John Milton has written Ode on the Morning of Christ's Nativity, On the Late Massacre of Piedmont, On Arriving at the Age of 23, but he hasn't written The Inner Vision. Next one, among the following, which is not example of pastoral elegy? The pastoral elegies are Astrophel, Lycidas, and Tircis, but elegy written in a country churchyard is not a pastoral elegy. Who among the following was a contemporary of John Milton and wrote The Worthy Communicant? It is said that his prose can be read easily when Milton's must be studied? The correct answer is John Bunyan. Next question. In Paradise Lost, Milton presents the action of the fall of man in two stages in books 4 and 9. Of man's first disobedience and the fruit of that forbidden tree whose mortal taste brought death into the world and all our woe, with loss of Eden. This is an extract from Paradise Lost. The plot of Milton's this work concerns two brothers and their sister, simply called the Lady. Lost in a journey through the woods, the lady becomes fatigued and the brothers wander off in search of sustenance. Identify the work. The work is Comus. While still an undergraduate, Milton began to compose poems of remarkable maturity and promise. Here is the list of those poems which among them was written first. The correct answer is Ode on the Morning of Christ's Nativity. Milton started his literary career with On the Death of a Fair Infant, Dying of Cough, 1628. The poem is written on the death of his sister's baby. In which work of Milton do we find the line, Dear son of memory, great heir of fame? The correct answer is On Shakespeare. In L'Allegro, the speaker, after banishing the spirit of loathed melancholy, welcomes Euphrosyne, who is the goddess of mirth. On arriving at the age of 23 is a ode, masque, elegy or sonnet. The correct answer is sonnet. Virtue may be assailed but never hurt, surprised by unjust force but not enthralled. Where do these lines appear? These lines appear in Comus. Yet once more, O ye laurels, and once more, ye myrtles brown, with ivy never sour, I come to pluck your berries harsh and crude, and with forced fingers rude, shatter your leaves before the mellowing ear, which work of Milton opens with these words. It is Lycidas. In which work do we find the line, Alas, what boots it with incessant care to tend the homely slighted shepherd's tread? The correct answer is Lycidas. The immediate spark for Milton's divorce tracts was his desertion by his wife Mary Powell. Milton's divorce tracts 1643 to 1645 refer to the blank interlinked polemical pamphlets. Fill in the blank. The correct answer is 4. Apology for Smectymnus, or an apology for a pamphlet, was published by John Milton in which year? 1642. Who is the writer of the lines? And long it was not after, when I was confirmed in this opinion, that he who would not be frustrate of his hope to write well hereafter in laudable things ought himself to be a true poem, that is, a composition and pattern of the best and honorablest things. The correct answer is Milton. Give me the liberty to know, to utter and to argue freely according to conscience above all liberties. Where do these lines appear? The correct answer is Areopagitica. Next question is, the abilities of the poet are the inspired gift of God rarely bestowed. Where do these lines appear? The correct answer is Lycidas. What hath night to do with sleep? Where do these lines occur? The correct answer is Paradise Lost. Milton begins Paradise Lost Book 1 with Media Res, invocation, both of the above, none of the above. The correct answer is both of the above. Next one, which of the following phrases does not appear in Samson Agonistes? The correct answer is ripeness is all. Next one, Milton began his poetic career with Psalms and Ovidian Latin elegies. Next one, love virtue, she alone is free, is taken from. The correct answer is Comus. Next one, who wrote a series of essays on Paradise Lost in the Spectator? The correct answer is Addison. Who said Milton purposely adopted grand style? It is an influence against which we still have to struggle. The correct answer is T.S. Eliot. Who said the reader is the real hero in Paradise Lost? The correct one is Stanley Fish. What is the rhyme scheme of Milton's On His Blindness? The correct answer is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. Who said about Milton, God gifted organ, voice of England? The correct answer is Tennyson. Who called Milton the poet of sublime? It was John Dryden, friends, who called him so. Thou who hadst the voice whose sound was like sea. Who said it about Milton? The correct answer is William Wordsworth. Who wrote the famous book Milton's God? The correct answer is William Empson. Next one. How many times does Milton invoke a muse? The correct one is 3. Milton invokes the book in the beginning of Book 1 and Book 7. Which of the following is not a character in Paradise Lost? Agony is the character that we do not find in Paradise Lost. Milton's Lycidas consists of how many lines? The correct answer is 200 lines. In Milton's Samson Agonistes, Samson appears as blind. Comus was written in 1634. What would be the subtitle of this work? The correct answer is The Triumph of Virtue. When did Milton die? Milton died on 8th November 1674. With this, I end today's class, friends. I hope class समझ आई होगी. Thank you very much.